Hi friend, I'm Professor Rushili Sadhu. Today we discuss qualitative analysis. Measurements invariable involves errors and uncertainty. It is impossible to perform a chemical analysis that is totally free of error or uncertainty. That is impossible any system, any performance without error. Error is the basic part, it's and uncertainty also present in this, but it's minimized some way by experimental method. We can only hope to minimize error and estimate their size with acceptable accuracy. Errors are caused by faulty calibration or standardization or by random variation and uncertainties in results. Frequent calibration, standardization, and analyze of known sample can sometimes be used to lessen all but the random errors and certainty. That means frequently calibration, standardization, and analyze it is a sample. It's minimize, lose the errors and uncertainty. The term error has two slightly different things. That means two different meanings about error. Error refers to the difference between measure value, the true or known value. That means error means true and known value. It's a difference between true and known value. Error obtained denoted the estimated uncertainty in a measurement or experiment. That is, error is presented. It's denoted in uncertainty in a measurement or experiment. We can only hope to minimize error and estimate their size with acceptable accuracy. Now, precision. Precision describes the agreement among several results obtained in the same way. Describe the reproducibility of measurement. Precision is readily determined by simple repeating the measurement on replicate samples. Precision of the set of replicated data be expressed as the standard deviation, variance, and coefficient of variation. DI deviation form means it shows how much xi the individual results deviated from the means. That means DI in model xi minus x model completeness. Now next, accuracy. That means precision and accuracy involves terms in error. Now accuracy indicate the closeness of measurement to the true or accepted value, and it expressed by the error. Accuracy measures agreement between the result and the acceptable values. Accuracy is obtained more difficult to determine because the true value is usually unknown and acceptable value must be used instead. Accuracy is expressed in terms of either absolute or relative error. That means precision means reproducibility, repeat, repetition, and accuracy means closeness to the measurement and and accuracy represent in absolute error and relative error. Now next, the mean and median. What is meant by mean and median? The mean, also called is the arithmetic mean or the average. It is obtained by dividing the sum of the replicated measurements by the numbers of measurements in the set. The symbol summation xi means to add all the values xi for the replicates. Xi represent the individual values of x making up the net set n replicate measurements. That means number of replicate measurements. The median is the middle value in the set of the data that has been arranged in a numerical order. Now next, the median is used advantageously when a set of data contain an outlier. outlier. An outlier is the result that differs significantly from others in the set. The outlier can have a significant effect on the mean of the set but has no effect on the median. For example, calculate the means and median for the data shown below. Now next, solution of this. the values of mean is equal to x bar is equal to 19.4 plus 19.5 plus 19.6 plus 19.8 plus 20.1 plus 20.3 divided by 6. That means total number is 6, total count number is 6. Now addition of this, its answer 19.78. It is approximately equal to 19.8 ppm. That means all participants measurements is divided by total number of this measurement values. Median is equal to 19.6 plus 19.8 divided by 2. That means median is find out by the median is a set to contain even number of the measurement. The median is average of the central pair. That means in median, when you find out median, you calculate in even number values that two central pairs it's added and divided by 2 and the value is given by median. 19.7 ppm is the value of median. Mean means the sum of total number divided by total sum of total numbers, and it's the total number divided by their number of digit present in this example. And median means addition of or average of two digit at present in center divided by 2 and gives the value of median. Its terms are involved in this error. Thank you for watching for this video. It's very simple. Thank you.